This is the brief on teachability and personal growth. Today, we're looking at a roadmap showing how a humble, teachable mindset, rather than just coasting on natural talent, is the real secret to unlocking potential, both for ourselves and our future leaders. First, we've got to tackle the shift from pride to humility. You see, pride just isolates us, right? It puts up a wall against feedback. But humility, that actually expands our potential. Just look at Michael Jordan. He had off-the-charts ability, but his early career was a total struggle until he humbly realized he needed his teammates to actually win. And hey, you might be asking, is humility the same as humiliation? No way. It's simply dropping that fear of asking for help so you can actually learn. Second, we're looking at the balance of ability and will. Once you've got that humility, you need an engine to drive you forward. Think of ability and will like a scale. If you're kind of lacking natural ability for something, you can totally offset it with a massive amount of will. You just bring the determination and try 10 times harder than the naturally gifted person. Finally, you have to curate your environment, because willpower alone won't cut it if your surroundings drag you down. It's like that famous autobiography in 5 short chapters poem. If you keep falling into the exact same hole of bad habits, you literally have to choose a different street. Also, think of the people around you as sculptors. They either add clay to your life with positive reinforcement, or they take a chisel to you with negativity. You need to actively take that chisel away from anyone chipping away at you. Ultimately, becoming truly teachable means swallowing your pride, firing up your will, and taking strict control over exactly who and what gets to shape your life.